Peace to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I thought I'd pop in very briefly to discuss the significance of the letter Y and how to use it when calculating or breaking down the life path portion of your chart that makes up your core profile. Now, here's where I'm going to take you back to the basics, like we all did when we attended grade school. So during your calculations, you're going to want to make sure you're using the Y in its proper placement, as in, is it supposed to be used as a vowel or a consonant? So make sure we take a break really quickly. Go grab you pen and paper so that you can take accurate notes, okay? And I know by now you're probably saying, WTF, what is it now? And it's perfectly fine. However, if you have the letter Y in either of your names, as in your first, middle, or last names, and you add it as a vowel when it should be used as a consonant instead, you can completely throw off your entire core profile. And we don't want to do that, which is why I'm here sharing this information with you today. Okay, so when is it a consonant? Now, what is the most simplistic way to determine if the Y in your name should be used as a vowel or a consonant? Well, the easiest way to determine or differentiate between the two is whether or not it is next to another vowel. So basically, having a vowel on either side of the letter Y will more than likely make that Y a consonant. And a good example of this is as follows, like the names that you see here: Murray, Yorlandis, or Isley. Those are all consonants. Okay, when is it considered a vowel? A consonant next to the letter Y will more than likely make that Y a vowel, as in names like Tyler, Pythagoras, Barry, or Lynn. However, there's an exception that must be considered here. That exception is if the Y sounds like a vowel, even when it's placed next to another vowel, then it will also be a vowel. Now, continuing on, a few examples of such will be names like Wyatt, Ryan, and Diara. Yes, I made up that name, but it's simply for you to get the gist of what it is that I'm conveying to you here. So in such cases, the Y is responsible for a vowel sound. So it functions as a vowel as well. Okay, so I hope that helps you more when calculating the numbers for the sake of accuracy. And as always, if you like or love the content I've been sharing with you on this channel, please hit that like button. Leave a positive comment down below, or even a question if you have one, because I don't mind answering them. And also, don't forget to hit that sub button and notification bell so you're always one of the first people to catch newly uploaded content here on this channel. So on that note, I'm going to close this session by sending you peace, love, and light, my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. Ashe.